This is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can edit your profile on Poppo Live, or how you can simply add a subscript to your name. So here we go. The first thing that you have to do is you copy the subscript from WhatsApp. Okay, so the subscript that I want to add to my name is magnet. Okay, so I'm gonna click those three dots in the top right corner. So the subscript has been copied. Then I'm gonna go to Poppo. Now I open it. So now from here, what I'll do is, since I'm facing the default profile, which is the first profile that you happen to see the moment you open Poppo. So this is where you get to see the cover pics of those who've gone live. So now what you need to do is you simply click the tab which is in the bottom right corner, which is the profile tab, and boom, you're able to see all the details of your profile. So now what I want you to do is you now click the arrow which is in the top right corner, which is pointing on your right, just after your name. Okay, so here we go. You click there and this opens up. Now look again, in the bottom right corner there is a pencil-like icon. Click it. So when you click it, it means you are going to edit everything. Now click where it says nickname. So from here now you can simply tap there and you can now edit. You erase whatever is there. You simply leave your first name and then you click and hold and paste. So from here, you see now I have magnet and there's a dove there. You can now click save in the top right corner. When you save, everything will be changed and you're going to have a subscript. If you belong to magnet family, then everyone else will actually identify you and they will not dread at making exchange with you. Okay, that's how we do it, baby. So now I want you to go ahead and do what I just demonstrated. This is Doc Mountain.